Here's a question from the ELPAC writing practice test, grade 6 through 8. Think about a time when you read something interesting. What did you read? Why did you read it? Why was it interesting to you? Sounds simple, right? But the ELPAC writing scoring guide, a high-scoring answer needs more than just a quick memory. It needs a clear beginning, middle, and end, plus details and correct grammar. That's where I can help. In this video, I'll show you how to guide your child from a quick, flat answer to a vivid, well-structured paragraph that the ELPAC scorers and future teachers will love. The Write About an Experience task tests 3 big writing muscles. First, structure. A strong paragraph has a beginning that sets the scene, a middle that describes the main event, and an ending that wraps it up. Here's my simple 4-step checklist for turning any personal experience into a complete, high-scoring paragraph. Set the scene. Who, when, where. Describe the main event. What happened? Add feelings or thoughts. How did it feel? Wrap it up. What was learned or remembered? Now, let's put our 4-step toolkit into action. Imagine your child writes this first draft. It's a common starting point. I read a book about a dragon. The boy in the book had to fight it. It was a good book, and I liked the ending. It's not bad, but it's not a masterpiece. Yet. Let's build it up, one question at a time. Here's what you can ask your child. First, let's use step 1, set the scene. You can ask your child, "That's a great start. Can you tell me when you read it or where you found the book?" A few months ago, during summer break, I found an amazing fantasy book called Dragon's Peak at the library. Instantly better. Now, let's move to step 2, describe the main event. You can ask, "Tell me more about that fight. What made it so interesting?" The story was about a young hero named Leo who had to outsmart a clever fire-breathing dragon to protect his village. Now for the secret ingredient. Step 3, add feelings or thoughts. This is what makes a story connect with the reader. Ask your child, "Wow, how did you feel when you were reading that part?" "My heart was pounding during the final battle. I was so worried Leo wouldn't make it." Perfect. Now, finally, let's step 4. Wrap it up with a strong conclusion. Instead of just saying, "I liked the ending," ask them, "What's the main thing you'll remember about the book? What did it teach you?" The ending wasn't just exciting. It taught me that being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. And just like that, using 4 simple questions, you've guided your child from a flat, basic answer to a powerful, high-scoring paragraph. Let's look at the final masterpiece. A few months ago, during summer break, I found an amazing fantasy book called Dragon's Peak at the library. The story was about a young hero named Leo who had to outsmart a clever, fire-breathing dragon to protect his village. My heart was pounding during the final battle. I was so worried Leo wouldn't make it. The ending wasn't just exciting. It taught me that being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. See the difference? That's the power of structure, detail, and a little bit of guidance. This isn't just about one ELPAC score. When your child can write a clear personal narrative, they're also learning how to structure essays, add meaningful detail, and connect ideas. Skills that will carry them through middle school, high school, and even college applications. You don't have to correct everything at once. Pick one skill to focus on this week, then move to the next. Over time, those small steps build big results. With the right tools, your child can turn memories into clear, confident writing. And if you'd like one-on-one guidance to make that happen, check out the assistance your child will love at verbling.com/teachers/Marie. We are here to help. Also, take the time to read some comments from our students.